this is Stephanie with the Trifilo team. Welcome to our newest listing at 293 Bramblewood in East Amherst.
As we step inside, you're immediately greeted by a spacious and inviting living area, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Notice the stunning brick fireplace, a beautiful focal point that adds a touch of rustic elegance to the space. From here, we move into the formal dining room, which is bright and airy with plenty of space for family dinners and special occasions. Just down the hall is the first of 2 full bathrooms, which has been tastefully updated with a modern vanity and a sleek tiled shower. Next, let's explore the kitchen. It features white cabinetry and dark countertops and opens directly into a sun-filled 3-season room. This is truly a year-round retreat where you can enjoy your morning coffee or simply unwind with a good book. Moving back inside, we'll find the main floor bedrooms. This is a highly functional layout that offers convenience and privacy. The primary bedroom is generously sized and includes a beautifully appointed ensuite bathroom, featuring a large vanity and a full tub with shower. Now, let's head downstairs to the finished basement. This versatile space offers endless possibilities for a home theater, a playroom, or a cozy den. The basement also includes a built-in bar and a convenient half bath. Ready to make this house your home? Don't wait. Reach out to learn more or to set up a personal tour. We can't wait to show you around.